welcome back. If checkout isn't working on SHEIN, first open your app, then go to your cart and start by removing all the items from your cart and re-adding them. Click on the trash option and then delete the app option. Then once you delete all the items, re-add them. After re-adding them, go ahead and make sure that your internet connection is working or not. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, or make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then make sure that your shipping address and payment details are filled in correctly. Disable any VPN that may interfere with checkout. If the problem continues, wait a few minutes and try again later, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.